As the President of ACI Asia-Pacific and Middle East, it is my pleasure to invite you to our global aviation event, ACI Asia-Pacific and Middle East ACI World Annual General Assembly Conference and Exhibition, also known as WAGA 2024. This event will be hosted by our member, Riyadh Airports Company, from 21st to 23rd May 2024 in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. According to our long-term forecast, in 2 decades, 19 billion passengers are expected to travel across our airports, more than double the 9 billion passengers traveled in 2019. This exceptional growth underscores the importance of environmental sustainability. It is imperative as we strive to meet our collective goal for achieving net zero emission by 2050. Therefore, addressing environmental concerns stand critical in preparing for this anticipated growth. Additionally, the growth also demands robust infrastructure, efficient processes, advanced technology, liberalized air transport, regulatory framework, and an improved air connectivity to enhance industry competitiveness. Keeping these aspects in mind, our event is themed The Global Race: How to stand out in a competitive airport ecosystem. The conference will take place in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia at an exciting moment of change and growth. To all of you, see you in Riyadh.